Welcome, dear learners. I am Mrs. Uma. Today we'll discuss the second unit and the part 3 in advertising. Welcome, dear learners. Today let us discuss about advertising layout. Advertising layout is nothing but it is a plan, arrangement, overall structure of a blueprint of advertising copy. It arranges headlines, subheadlines, slogans, identification marks, box, text body in systematic manner. Its main purpose is to secure higher attention by presentation of headlines, slogans, illustration in most effective manner. Layout is of two things. In one sense, it means the total appearance of the advertising. It designs and the compensation of its elements. In another sense, it means physical rendering to the design for advertising, its blueprint for production purpose. Here are the components of advertising layout. First, we set a background, we set border, caption, coupon, body copy, creative, decoration, heading, illustration, signature, nameplate or company logo, price, product, slogan, 1 second test, space, subheading, test, trademarks and colors. Here are the functions of advertising layout. First one is we assemble different parts. Second, we guide the copy specialist. Third, we find the opportunity of modification. And fourth, we specify a cost for the product. And here is advertising campaign. Advertising campaign is the group of advertising messages which are similar in nature. They share same messages and themes placed in different types of media at some fixed times. The time frames of advertising campaigns are fixed and specifically defined. Here are the basis of advertising campaign. First one is geographical spread. It is classified of three: local market campaign, entire region campaign, national campaign. And second is pioneering campaign, which means introducing a new product to the customers. Third one is competitive campaign, which means it emphasizes superiority to retain the present market and to expand it either by increasing the product's consumption or by wearing the customer away from a competitive brand. Here are the types of advertising campaign. In that, first one is the word hook. Word hook means repeatable catches phrases from ad to ad. Here I give you an example. If you see the first one, ATM nahi Paytm karo. ATM is repeated 2 times. So that is called as word hook. Second one is character hook. Character hook is nothing but uses of hero, villain, victim to embed a key attribute of a brand. Third one is the repeatable theme. A repeatable theme is a situation that plays out again and again, calling out the need for a company's product. For example, if you take Airtel, to give the product level increase, they'll be calling to the customers and they'll be finding out how far the customer is satisfied. Because of calling and knowing that, they come to know that the product satisfaction level is increased or decreased in the market. Here are the advertising types and techniques. The types of advertising are television, radio, online, billboard, in-store. Print is classified of three: magazines, newspapers, classified, mobile ads, celebrity brand, corporate sponsors, covered, which means product placements, and brands. These are the types of advertising. Here are the techniques of advertising. In that, first one is bandwagon effort, which means everyone is buying it. Second one is emotional appeal, which connects with fears and desires. Third one is glittering generality, which gives the big promotions for the products. Next one is plain folk appeals, which relates to the ordinary people. And next is testimonials, which we use celebrities or experts. And next one is scientific appeal, which use stats or data. Here are the functions of advertising media. In that, first one is create awareness. Create awareness is nothing but making the customers to know about the product and how the product is to be used by a demo. Because of this, the customer get an awareness of a product and they start getting the product. And second one is information. When we give an awareness about a product to the customers come to know, and they get an information about the product, and because of the information they share the message to the others, and the product sales will also be increased. And third one is we remind the customer about the product by telecasting the advertisements continuously. Because of this, the customers assure a product, and the advertising of a product competitors will also be increased. Because of the competition, the sales of a product will be increased. At the sales increases, we get the promotion for the product, and our market share will also be increased, and we get many reviews about the product, and the customer trial will also be encouraged, and we get a brand loyalty for the product, and we get encouraged brand switching. Brand switching is nothing but often the customers will not be use the same products. Sometimes the customers mind divert to the other products. When they go for the other products, that is known as brand switching. For example, if I am using a ball pen all the time, I'll not be using a ball pen, I'll be going for the other pens, it's like ink pen and all. So that is brand switching. And next one is change attitudes. And at last, we support the activities in the distribution chain. Distribution chain is nothing but the product will be exposed from one place to the other place. Thank you.